Commissioner for Youth and Sports, Creativity. Thank you for your humility. Even the excellency in this.
Bando,
Okay, the commissioner will now retire back to his seat. Thank you so much, sir. A round of applause for him. The Kumashe, please. You're also expected to go to the high table. You have just less than a minute more. You have less than a minute more, please. The band you're watching is known as the Fusu Band. The Iginga people are the drummers that are adding spices to this wonderful ladies' dance.